Hill setting. It's a decent view. You weren't wanting to climb one of those, were you? I mean, we could do it. Because they're right there. But we don't have to.
Don't have to what?
Climb those. I haven't either. Duh. This is one of the things I like about this place. Well, you got some pretty striking views, and there's a hard way up if you're into that, but there are easy ways up too. For everybody, something for everybody. You know what I mean? Like, if you wanted to get up there pretty high, you could go up this way. There's a nice, like a ramp. You get pretty much up there and see what you felt comfortable with. I'm not suggesting that. I'm just talking.
Well, I'm kind of for easy this morning because I don't want to burn my candle before the...
Right.
I mean, it's not like we're in a... This ain't NASCAR.
Oh, right. No, there's no hurry. Yeah, there's a rock. Glancing down occasionally is worthwhile.
Yeah, it is. look with one eye up and one eye down.
Yeah.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hi.
That's okay. It's all good. Good morning, folks.